What a big boy you are. Hmm? Woo! Look at you! Look at big boy Max! Oh, you're such a big boy! Say hey, big boy Max! Hey! Look at you! Oh, I'm so proud of you. You're big boy Max. Say hey, Gigi. You want to stand up for him? Whoa! Look at you! Let me have my hand back. Stand up. Oh! Oh, you're so proud of yourself. You want to walk? Hmm? You want to walk? You don't want to walk. When he shakes his face. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's a big boy. Yeah. Say hey, Daddy. Say hey, Daddy. This way. Ooh.
So who do they ask for when they come to town?
They asked for the go-to guy. That's Big Boy Max. He's the baby with the 10-gallon diaper on.
And how will we know Big Boy Max?
He's down the dusty road riding on his housey. He's got the 10-gallon diaper on. That's Big Boy Max. That's Big Boy Max. Hey, that's Big Boy Max. Okay. He's probably getting sleepy, Boy Max. And you're getting sleepy. You're getting sleepy. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.